Alright, this is Lightning turn 9 Japan. I'll be doing this as I go, because I could do it a little faster if I set it up, but like, now that USSR is attacking, I kind of have to think about it a bit. I don't hit tech, I guess, for Japan. That's unfortunate. I do know we'll be starting off like this. Oh. And, this attack bomber will go up here, and this fighter will go here. This attack bomber's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4 to Hong Kong, as well as 2 infantry. This is gonna map the second. It's gonna go 1, 2, probably. Forget how we decided those rules work, but I do know that the 6th fleet, this destroyer I believe is picking this up. By 1, 2. Take that. The 4 transports picks up 8 units. 2. Drops them off here. Getting attacked by cats. I know this destroyer will pick up probably this one. Go here. Queensland. I know these are non-comming here. Just kind of organizing. As well as a light cruiser. I mean, honestly, nah. That's fine. And then anyway, I know this guy goes this way. Okay, I need to move all of these to the side. Clean reasons. But they're all there. They are all there. This goes, probably picks up this guy to here. Picks up a normal guy. This transport picks up Borneo. This destroyer will pick up this guy. This will 1, 2, 3. Oh, actually, this destroyer is gonna go 1, 2, 3 to Burma. Oh, I didn't check my buy yet. By the way, buy 48 insta build a fort, represented by this. Moving 2 battleships up, so it's gonna go like this. And then building a transport destroyer, militia upgrade, marine, put me down to 0. So. I feel like I'm missing something, but I don't know. This maps. Tax. 2, 3, 4. Tax here. Everything's. Oh, yeah. This one goes on top of here. One walks out of the 97th onto here. Everything else is dropping onto Malta. Everything that can bombard will bombard. Minus the sub, which will raid. Solo this sub and solo this sub. Otherwise, the biggest bombarders will bombard. Yeah. I know this could raid, but honestly, screw it. This battlecruiser will raid as well, right here. Yeah. It's just to try and destroy it. Oh, this isn't damaged. Let's see here. Alright, I don't know if there's any other combat per se. Oh yeah, over here. 1, 2. Well. Yeah, 1, 2, and then this sub will go 1, 2, 3. Try to finish off the damage here. Yeah, that's about it. Okay, and then get to rolling. So I'll do rating first. Oops. Oops. I'll be black. Oh. I'm picking the wrong colors. I'll be black. That is the 1 damage I need. Here I got 2 coastal subs. That'll do it. It's just 2 damage to Anzac. This is also raiding. So is this. I'll figure that out afterwards. All these are going on to Malta. So I'll have this and that alone attack the subs. So yeah. If the bomber can't, well, actually, hold on, 1, 2. Yeah, if the bomber can't hit Formosa, then I'm just gonna leave it alone. But if it can, 1, 2, 3. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, honestly, it doesn't matter. So I guess it'll land here. To my other battles. What do I want to call them? Got here. So I have a 7 and a 2 versus his 2. 7 and a 2 versus his 2. 7 and a 2 versus his 2. Whoa. I got here. So orange will be the tank, red will be the fighter. Okay. His. And then his. Nice. We have here, so, oh, yeah, okay. I need to see about, how many subs are here again? 1, 2, 3. need to protect these. Two, three, four. I guess this is all that actually needs to bombard. So anyway, so I have my 2 infantry and my attack bomber. And then he has his 2 at 1. And then I have again. Then he has his at 1. Again. And oh my goodness, and his at 1. Fort's going here, by the way. I forget if that needs to be said. Then we have Malta. So he has 3 boom boom artillery, coastal artillery. Take that on the battleship, and then I have a battleship in. I have a battleship in. Wait, oh wait, hold on. This doesn't count because I have 2 battleships. 3 cruisers. Alright. It's 1 artillery or 1 hit. So that's that. And then they land. So there's 2 first strikes. It's 1 hit. And then I have a attack bomber and 4 infantry. And then he has his at 4. Alright. If I can keep the artillery, I'll keep it. I forget. Can you keep artillery? Or do you have to destroy it? Alright, what is it that you can destroy or keep? I don't remember. If it's artillery, I'm keeping it. This has to land here. I think 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. Could you not make it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't think you could make it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. Well, I guess I just kind of have to roll it out. I think that's 1, 2, 3. Wow, yeah, no. Well, I guess I'm rolling it out here. It's 4 at 1 versus 1 at 2. Uh-oh. Bro. Okay. You know what? Redeemed. Although it kind of hurt. I really thought I could. 1, 2, 3. In that case, this thing can just go here. This will land in Formosa. This attack bomber will land here. This is damaged. I'll figure that out at the end. And that's all rating. That'll get put back. I think that's it for combats. And then we go to, I'm just 15 minutes. Yeah, go figure. I think we go to place units and collect. 62. And then build. Oh. So tank goes to Rihi. Militia upgrade goes to here. Destroyer goes there. With the transport. And then the fort gets put there. And this goes 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, no, this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to West Timor. Timor. These can go to the second. Oh. 1 second. Honestly, these can go here. Why did this bomber get here? I'm confused. Where did that come from? Okay, I need to figure out where that bomber came from. But this destroyer that didn't do anything will go here to the second. Because there's currently 1, 2, 3 things. I'm a little confused. Okay, I don't know what I was thinking. All this can just go to the 6th fleet. There's no reason not to. Literally 0 reason not to. But what's going on over here? In fact, that means that this... Yeah, I don't know. And that's it. I'll put everything back, and that's it. And the fighter goes back here. I forgot the whole reason why this carrier was there is because he's to pick up the attack bomber, but I can just land the attack bomber there and call it. Yeah, that's it.